Alright guys, so there are two more ways that you can set up configurations, and these become more important than the previous method that we saw, where the command line directly opens the browser for you. And this situation is more common because whenever you're working with a machine that's in the cloud, typically you don't have access to a GUI, and basically that means you don't have access to the browser. So in that case, what you need to do is basically use both the command line on the target machine and the browser on your local machine. So let me show you what I mean by that, otherwise it's going to become it will feel confusing. All right, so the same configuration, delete me, I'm going to get rid of it. So remove, erase, delete. Okay, now another thing that we need to look at is basically when you log in to a particular machine from the Gcloud config, it saves that login in another place, and you can access that by querying Gcloud auth list. So here we have this guy logged in, and we also need to remove that. I think that here this is remove, not remove, the revoke. Yeah, they just keep changing these terms on you all the time. Okay, and that thing is gone. All right, so once again we're gonna do Gcloud init, and this time we're gonna specify an option, console only. Okay, so we want to create another configuration. Again, delete me. Actually, I could have skipped the diagnostic. Okay, so we don't have Johnny debates here. We're going to create it. But see here, this time it did not open the browser for us. So we're going to copy this link, bring it onto your machine. Okay. I logged in, and then it provides me this key that I would need to paste here. And now this is how that profile gets set, config gets set. So add once again, and the rest of it is usual. Take your central number 8. I just remember by heart now. Okay, let's make sure Gcloud config configurations list. Okay, and we have it available again. So I'm going to once again delete it and show you guys one more method in the next lecture. Thanks guys.